Have you ever wondered how those talking photos on your feed are made? They're all the rage, skyrocketing creators' visibility online. While DID Studio leads the pack with its top-notch creations, the catch is the price tag and that pesky watermark. But guess what? You can make your own watermark-free talking photos without spending a single buck. Ready to find out how? Let's get right to it. To create today's talking avatar, I will use Mango AI by Mango Animate. To find it, open your browser and search for Mango Animate on Google or any other search engine. After getting the search result, click on the first link. This is the Mango Animate homepage. It's not just a talking photo maker like Studio did, it's a tools hub for animators or content creators. It has various tools like Mango AI for generating AI videos online, Mango AM to create animation videos, Mango WM to generate whiteboard animation, Mango PM to generate presentations, Mango CM to create characters, and Mango Trademark to generate text-based videos. To generate our talking photo avatar today, I will use Mango AI. Before going to the next step, we have to create an account. To do that, click on the Sign Up button from here. Now create an account with your email address. It's so simple. After creating an account, click on the Create AI Video button from here. This is the Mango AI interface. Here you will find 4 options to create AI videos. Under every option, you will find a vast number of customizable pre-built templates in various subcategories. Our first option is text to animation. With this feature, you can generate animation videos with text prompts. Then the text and image to video option. With this feature, you can generate videos from text and image output. After that, the talking head video feature. Here you can generate studio quality talking avatars from this vast library of avatars. And if you want to create a talking avatar with your own images, then you have to use the last feature, talking photo. Today, I will use this feature. First, you have to upload the photo here, or you can use one of the sample images from here. I will go with my own photo. I have generated this image with TensorArt, which is one of the best platforms for generating high-quality AI images. I will make a full video on this platform very soon. Okay, let's download the best image. Now upload the image on Mango AI Talking Photo. After uploading the image, scroll down and then turn on the lip sync option from here. After that, we have to select the facial pose. There are 5 facial pose options. The first one is speaking only. If you select this method, the avatar won't have any eye blink and face moment. The second is only for talking and eye blinking, with no facial movement, and the last 3 are different types of facial movement with eye blinking. I will suggest selecting among the last 3. Alright, after selecting the facial pose, come to the audio section. Here you will find 2 options, the text output and audio upload. But the audio upload is not functional yet. It will be available a few days later. However, the biggest surprise is waiting on text to audio version. Mango AI allows you to generate audio with 2 biggest AI voice generator platforms, Amazon or Spoli, and 11 labs. Or Spoli allows you to generate voiceover in English, French, Arabic, Danish, Dutch, German, Hindi, and other 10 languages. Select your desired language from here. After that, you have to select the voice actor. Listen to some of them, and then select the best fit for your talking photo. I will go with this one. Alright, after selecting the voice actor, write or paste your script on this box. I am pasting a ready script. After all is set, hit the Create AI Video button from here. A reminder pop-up will appear. It basically wants to say that the creative results are provided by the AI Deep Synthesis service, which may contain incorrect information and their terms and conditions. Simply click on Got It button from here. Now Mango AI will start creating our video. It will take some time. Let's fast forward the video. And here it is. Our video is ready. Let's have a look.
This is Emma, the co-host of AI Ninja. We make videos on various AI tools on a regular basis. If you are enjoying our video, please hit the like button and share the video with your friends. To get more updates on various AI tools, don't forget to subscribe to AI Ninja. See you in the next video. Till then, be happy and be safe. Goodbye.
I think it's a quite good video, and the quality of the video is nearly close to the Studio DID video quality. Let's have a comparison between DID and Mango AI versions with the same image and audio.
Hi. This is Emma, the co-host of AI Ninja. We make videos on various AI tools on a regular basis. If you are enjoying our video, please hit the like button and share the video with your friends. To get more updates on various AI tools, don't forget to subscribe to AI Ninja.
Now let me know your opinion in the comment section. Okay, in this way you can generate Studio DID quality talking photos without spending any money and most importantly without any watermark. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with generating a talking photo avatar with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!